and the General Manager of Educational Institution, Bangalore Province. Hearty welcome, dear Father. Your gracious presence that adds joy and color in our campus. Father Sabu is known for his simplicity, approachable, knowledgeable, down-to-earth, and kind person. We, the Claretines, are highly indebted to have you here with us. Father, you will indeed cherish with the wonderful memories and see the growth of this abode of knowledge. Your cheerfulness and liveliness is a boost for many youngsters. Now, may I request Father James, the manager and the correspondent, to felicitate Father Sabu with a bouquet. Hearty welcome, dear Father, and accept our token of love. Dear fathers, this princess is welcoming you with thunderous sounds and lots of love. The blooming stars, the little butterflies of St. Claret School, is here to welcome you, Father. Now, may I call upon Father Sabu, the provincial superior, to give motivational, thoughtful message to the students.
Good morning, dear fathers, sisters, teachers, staff members, and my dear Claretines. I am really happy to be here with you during this assembly and couple of days, to be with you, to see how St. Claret School is performing, to talk to students and also to talk to teachers, and to be with you. Indeed, I am here to speak a little bit about our founder, in whose name St. Claret School is, Saint Anthony Mary Claret. He was a person who lived in 19th century. He became a priest, a bishop. One quality which was there in him was that he was motivated. He was a purpose-driven person. He understood that there is a purpose for his life and he had to live for that purpose. For that, he went around from place to place, educating people, motivating them, writing so many books so that their lives could be improved. Until his death, he was always motivated and driven by purpose. What purpose is there for my life? Why am I here on this earth? Indeed, till his end, he worked for that purpose. Indeed, when we are here, and especially you are here to set good foundation for your life. St. Claret English Medium School here at Narasanapeta is a quality school which gives good foundation to students. Indeed, it is not just academic purpose for which you have come here. St. Claret School takes care of academics and it gives so much importance to academics. But along with that, St. Claret School envisages that the students who come here, they have a whole round development. Development of their body, development of their mind, development of their soul. So intellectual development is one part of that. The academics, what you have, the classes, what you attend, that is one part of that. Along with that, your body is to be taken care and your soul is also to be taken care. So it is an institution where students are motivated to believe in God. We may be believing in different religions, we come from different religions. So believe in the God of the religion in which you believe, in which the religion which you practice. So that is very important for life. Along with that, we also need to nurture the body, because a healthy mind can only be there in a healthy body. So as I said, the all-round development of the students is taken care at St. Claret School here. The purpose which I was speaking about, each one of us that we are born into this world, we have a purpose. God has given us, or God has sent us to this world with a purpose. So He has given us a purpose. Now it is our pursuit as we go along our life to find out what the purpose is. But for you students, as of now, you may not be able to find what the long-term purpose is. If you have to achieve a long-term purpose, you need to think about short-term purposes too. So that way, as you are students, your short-term purpose is to study well, is to take care of your body, take care of your soul, and take care of your intellect. And all the facilities here, the principal, the management, all the teachers and all the staff, they are all helping you to achieve this purpose of studying well and then taking care of the holistic education which Singularity gives. So as our founder, as Saint Claret envisaged in his life and then worked towards attaining the purpose for which he came into this world, all of us, we need to imitate him. As he lived for his purpose, we also need to live for the purpose. And as I said earlier, your purpose now is to study well. I wish you all the best. And then I also know that there are students who perform really well, not only in academics, what is going on in the school, but then they go out and then make the school proud and make their parents proud. I wish you all the best, and a special word of thanks and congratulations to the teachers and staff members, management and principal who take care of the all-round well-being of the students. May this school flourish more and become a good source of inspiration and good source of a school which develops the soul, intellect and body of the students who come here. Wish you all the best and God bless.
Thank you, dear Father, for being a great inspiration to us, and your thought-provoking messages has brought new life to the students. It's a bounden duty to be responsible for our education and primordial duty to grow into good mannerism. We promise, Father, we will keep up our dignity and be responsible citizens. I do take this time to acknowledge this movement to proclaim that St. Claret School is ahead, looking at the sky and reaching the high peak of education, extracurricular activities, sports and games. One such evidence is present today in front of you, Father. We are highly impressed and glad to announce and honor two of our students who stood first and second in Hindi and Telugu Pratibha. It's time to call on Suhana, the state level first rank holder for Pratibha, to come forward to be felicitated from our chief guest, Father Sabu. Now may I invite on the stage Hemsai Satyanath, the state level second rank holder for Telugu Pratibha, to come forward to be felicitated from our chief guest, Father Sabu.